Hello, I Xposed you, Chef Bruce. I feel now we're joining here. Patron share, no be soon be subscribe to all our news and yeah, drop it no when you be action. Election time, prophecy time. Election time, prophecy time. Ejina him said December yeah Ghana ejina okuna no meka okwa enye ntokwa sebe ye kwoto aba no bi a kire na adwen. Na enu na edu ho a na nyame nipa. Hey! Nkom hye no mo hye no rough. We she na we ahye we tu na we ato we tu na we ato. Ba ye wo bi a sebe wa bi da. Wa hye bi da emu ba ko bi de fa ho. Oni mi ba ho. Wa hye bi da ba ko ba mu ba ko de e kire na mbam. Wa san hye biem. Now when you say okopeke all the sun every all the regions or the bomb wie ye no nyame so no nye o wie no say ye raba omia wonu afa akunwa no enyam na meka yo egoti na ye bra ye ba meche
me wo me dem sa no nyame presence visit me.
Now just about Monday's dawn I was in my room and the presence of God visited me.
Na na ra this way the kaka chem say now, but
before that, God had told me to ensure that I would gather sand in all the regions of Ghana. So I obeyed the instructions of the Lord and I gathered the sand.
And you call baby, you do see a kunyaswa, Ubiantimintu, Aju, you call her. And the Radichem saying for house and also a far one. 4 p.m. I believe so be a Owusu Bempah come she. Na me say about home come 31st na me say. Someone himself about to be a home come 31st na make. But 31st man can 31st no. Enya dey America. But you better Ghana konya no so no. Ye ne ade ne betima so. Hallelujah. Ya also for muntie me. Yakwa regions are Ghana. Yakwa Sanwia. Mr. President Kofo de na run about. Nana Kufuado de na yem paibo 9 months. Any akunya sotena. But in here I didn't about betina akunya isu yi. Eya anwia. Otuma say. Osofo. Yakwa nya regions ni nyina. Ani asisa wiem. Yasesem wiem. Umpo yasesem wiem. Hallelujah. Na on say eduru tambia obi timi ka se abanu kwa mantu ene ehefo ne to abanu ma o. Se wan tumpo nyame bofo be ba beto. Hallelujah.
Yes. So you marshal wase wakofa enyia ni nyina wo regions ni nyina ena nyame eka kire ne se afi wei yera abamia ono betena akudwa ne so wase forget it omo kan different one nyina omo hu nyame on de wo hu nyame patcho na mimi nyina ho ono kana asem time bia ba beto aba na nyame kasa Ghana de nyame kasa wo ye beto aba ye nto aba ya nyame nkasa ba Israel nyame nam nim se de bi okasa na mo mama ka bibi ncho spiritually ni e de anwea ye nkofo nim wo hyebre nye konkwantana na sa anwea o hyebre be yi o pa akunwa di konkwantana na sa anwea anu bi no pa kire no e spiritual enti ni okan no me de Matias e bia na wanti ase no wie no wan wie wa o say enkofo bi o ha ye mom cake no o mantimi endi ninti no nyame sa prepare another cake no de man enkofo bi de o madini yopo na ohwewiem a ewiem adane asama kan no so ohwewiem a ewiem no adane ebutu ne sen yankwane kwatie ne ye ba ye besa akirem
Osafo, you perform your cake, cut your moponoso, one better actually. Once you shake cake, and you're questioning ponoso, such a free, or the cake no at watching. Now come that's what they know. Obia to cake catching in the combat Coswa demo. Combat densa. Ya bro cake. Said you can free. What to cake naturally. And I took for Fradia Bobby. One day what did it come on? Now, what do you want to do? You don't understand. Hallelujah. However, a different come. Men doubt to among come share. Men doubt to among come share.
Now, prophets have already prophesied. I don't doubt their prophecy.
Abraham Casa who said, or social cage, Mosha confusion.
Now, when I said that
and now I'm a catcher, I'm some Sasania now, someone who said, cage in a pea, I'm also in a peer free. I've been tutu as easy. Momunim dear caution. You don't understand what I'm talking about. Hallelujah. Confusion.
At the time,
it's easy.
At the time when I said that I had seen a mighty elephant in a cage and the elephant was struggling, soon after that, we can recount the confusion which beset the party NPP. And the fact that anywhere they went to, people were not ready to receive them, and they were throwing dust and hooting at them and calling them names. Recently, I said to somebody that I saw in a vision that the cage was open and the elephant was out of the cage.
Baby, I used to call ya Genie Diano, or to me, I want you, my baby.
Wherever Jesus went to,
a word to a wise
that he was received, he performed mighty miracles. Wherever he went to that he was not received, he could not perform mighty miracles. Now, the reason I'm saying this, let me make
Sunday at the better Monday, may I make them son when your presence visited me.
Now, just about Monday's dawn, I was in my room and the presence of God visited me.
Now, this way the Kakatem say, now,
but before that, God had told me to ensure that I would gather sand in all the regions of Ghana. So I obeyed the instructions of the Lord and I gathered the sand.
And you call baby, you do see a kunyaswa. Ubienti me too. Aju, you call her. And then I also a Fawanya.
And then I went to a place where they have a monarchical system, and the Lord told me to take sand from that place, and I took sand from that place and I brought it.
As my making, maybe I won't say. Yeah, man, and cost one year. You see
what I'm saying? You don't understand. What we are interested in is the development of the nation, and not money from someone.
So
even though I gathered sand, anytime I go before God and I ask the Lord that, Lord, I have sand, what should I do? God will tell me, take your time.
Still
wait. Exercise patience. So I was wondering, why should I be waiting for all these months? Because you told me I should take the sand. I have taken the sand. So Monday's dawn, then the presence of God visited me. The angel that came, now the angel that came, I saw, you could see currents of lightning moving through his body from the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. It was moving. And when he came, he introduced himself to me as one of the princes. And he said to me that he's one of those that changes the destiny of nations. And he said to me that he is the one who gives authority and gives the sovereignty of nations to the person who the Lord desires. And he said to me, the God of all creation, your Father, and my Lord, and your Lord, has sent me to you. Just like he sent us to Daniel some years ago. And he said to me that thus saith the Lord, he who commanded you to take the sand, this is what he wants you to do with the sand. So do it, because now the time is due. You see, some people will prophesy, but the work that must accompany the prophecy, they will do it here.
Nana Kwesi, I am a witness.
Reverend Anakwesi is my witness.
And Pennyphobia Bevi, almost a baby on Becopia, a catcher almost say. So man can't who prophet Owusu Bempah or no pair and now some people came to me in the house and they said to me, including men of God,
man of God, we have been to so many places, but wherever we have gone to, they have told us that if we don't come and see you, whatever we will do will not succeed. And he said some men of God have even told us the same thing. Some people are prophesying that NDC would win the election. Some people are also prophesying that NPP will win the election.
But
sometimes I just stare at certain things and it causes me to just laugh.
7th December, 8th December, 9th December, and you be a thief.
By 9th December, we will know those who are truly prophets.
Now you two are and I'm Owusu Bempah.
And after the election results is declared, then you will know what God used Prophet Owusu Bempah to do. It's not about long speeches. It's not about the current economic situation. It's not about the fact that you have no money to spend. Somebody said, you know, I am tired, I am angry, I will not vote, I will not cast my vote.
When you also not your team, Mammy Oya, both some men radinated.
Put your hands together for the Lord.
Hey, and some were by senior can a very true. Maybe dear, may who be that true. Ebia now who be that, maybe a spiritual man. So I know what I'm talking about. You see, Elia say, and nothing I may say, Sabe, Sa Obiote Akunyana Sono, and Mawano Entia Sani Pano, whether a NDC and not NPP. Because maybe the minim say, Bible say, Nyamina Osihene. Eti ohene bi obabetsana even King Nebuchadnezzar na nyame na see no for his purpose. Nyankopon say, I am the chief of all demons. Nyame no ma demons eye adwuma ma no ono je credits. Because he created everything. He has the right. Obi etimi question no. Eti wo pa kunye dia, ade se wo kọ nyame ho. Na we na me kai kakra 2016. Time na Yewura Akufo-Addo said the battle is the Lord's no. And no na nyame de akunya ne man because or acknowledge say akunya we de metimi adia ade se Nyankopon pe. And no na Yewura Owusu Bempah say forget it. Hey, ahokyere aba e de be mentu aba so betu aba na wonim so wato. wo so ba koto aba no po pompo obehia na wongugwe akariwa no koto aba no wia no asa ba fie saa na ose na ye nyina December eni akire aka few months just 3-4 months yes sini no ewia na ebe chale whether ye papa Owusu Bempah ebebam anase obi te na jigezi de na ebebam anase hwade na ebebam no ye nyina ye hwe ni nyina adu a ye de aseda na ebeba nyame na nyame pa cha ne se on the 7th ukoto aba otu wi akofie enkoko ntokwa enkobo asum koso yesa emra ni ani obedi. Remember, Ghana needs you alive. If I'm Bamboo, so high Xposed. Also subscribe here, subscribe no be sunyabi no share. Before I make on me patch out me ba